but also share physical objects and do so on any surface. So it looks a little bit like a lamp, and whatever this lamp lights up, it becomes shared.
Great.
So this is just a regular table.
IKEA.
You can buy it anywhere, IKEA is fine, and I've got a regular piece of paper on top of it. You can see Lumishare is lighting up this piece of paper right here. There's another Lumishare across the arena where Corey and John are sitting, also pointed at a regular table. And now, whatever happens on one end is going to be visible in the other, and vice versa.
So let's see it in action, Sasha.
Okay, so one thing you can do is, for instance, I'll just grab a piece of paper here, and I'll just start playing a game of tic-tac-toe. So I'll just draw the board using a regular pen. And on the other side, Corey and John will start making moves. So Corey's putting her move in the middle, I'm going to follow in the corner. And you have to think about what's going on here. I'm using regular pen and paper on a regular table to collaborate with somebody over distance. And if you've seen videos of me before, you know I'm awesome at tic-tac-toe, so I always tend to lose. But that's just one quick thing about what we can do with this kind of device.
Literally, Corey and John could be on the other side of the world, right? They could be in Sydney or Mumbai or anywhere.
That's right. So these Illumishares are just peripheral devices. They connect via USB and VGA to your laptop or any PC. And these laptops are right now connected to our network, so they could be anywhere in the world. And what you would normally have is something like a Skype video connection in front, so you can not only work together, but also see each other and talk to each other at the same time.
Great. Well, show us what else you can do with it, Sam.
Well, for instance, we had a printout of a 3D model, right? And I don't know if you brought John's model. Oh, Corey put some dice down. So basically what we're doing is we can bring in any physical object that happens to be on our table into the interaction. So I have a printout, and I believe this is you, Steve.
I think that's me.
So I'm just going to put Steve down here, and I'm going to ask Corey, if she wants to somehow augment Steve's model. Corey, what do you think?
Well, this model looks really great, but I think the eyes should be filled in. And the one thing that he's really missing is a Canadian Maple Leaf on his chest.
So again, we're bringing physical objects, we can annotate them, we can point at them, we have a rich referential space to work together across this.
So it really is this blending again of the physical and the digital world.
That's right. So you can imagine what's going on here is I have a physical object that's being displayed virtually over there, and Corey's able to interact with the physical object on my side, but she's doing it on her end.
So if you're an architect or a model maker, you're working with objects, it's just a great way to be able to do distributed collaboration.
That's right. And if you just think about the Mavis demo we just saw, you can record this whole session and not only index it with audio video, you can later index it by the actions we did. So where's the moment where Corey put the flag on your shirt, that kind of stuff.
So can you show us another business example of this session?
Sure. So, in addition to bringing physical objects, I can bring in sort of diagrams that I created, and I happen to have a really rough sketch of an Illumishare architecture right here in front of me, so I'll just drop it on the surface.
Incredibly sophisticated architectural diagram.
Oh, yeah, we at Microsoft Research don't do anything technical over here. It's very technical, so, we try to stay away. But, at this point I can say, hey, Corey, what do you think of this current architecture?
Well, I'm really excited at the point we're at in the project right now, but I think the next big step is we have to get rid of the custom infrastructure and integrate directly into Skype and Link.
That's right, and once Skype and Link and Illumishare are all integrated, you'll have not only audio-video collaboration, but you'll have sort of physical and digital collaboration on any surface, such as your tables, walls, floors if you want, any surface in your office.
Great, well John, I think you'll agree our collaboration partners in the room are going to be excited about this one.
Very cool stuff, guys.
Thanks, Sasha. Thanks, Corey.
Thank you, guys.
All right, so great example of some things that you can do today.